AI workflow automation can supercharge business workflows, changing the face of speed, accuracy, cost efficiency, scalability, and adaptability. But many businesses still struggle with inefficient workflows, wasting time and money on repetitive tasks. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to fully automate your business with AI workflows, increasing revenue per employee and scaling operations. By the end of this video, you'll be able to automate repetitive work, amplify revenue per employee, and streamline your business operations using AI workflow automation tools. Section 1. Pillar 1. Introduction to AI workflow automation. Many businesses are held back by inefficient workflows, wasting time and money on repetitive tasks. According to Dima AI, AI workflow automation tools can increase revenue per employee and scale operations, but many businesses don't know where to start. In this section, we'll explore the current state of business workflows and the challenges that come with them. We'll also discuss the benefits of AI workflow automation and how it can help businesses streamline their operations. By understanding the problems with current workflows, we can begin to see the potential for AI workflow automation to revolutionize the way we work. For example, a study by Guide to Artificial Intelligence Automation Solutions, 2026, found that hyperautomation is set to redefine artificial intelligence automation solutions by orchestrating entire business processes across departments. Section 2. Pillar 2. Benefits of AI workflow automation. AI workflow automation can bring numerous benefits to businesses, including increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved scalability. With AI workflow automation, businesses can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more strategic and creative work. AI workflow automation can also help businesses improve their customer service by providing faster and more accurate responses to customer inquiries. According to a study by Dima AI, AI workflow automation tools can increase revenue per employee and scale operations. For example, ChatGPT, a large language model, can access existing tools like Google Sheets and automate workflows, making it a powerful tool for businesses looking to streamline their operations. Another example is Claude, a large language model that can read and write info from existing tools, making it easy to automate workflows and improve business efficiency. Section 3. Pillar 3. Implementing AI workflow automation. Implementing AI workflow automation requires a strategic approach, starting with identifying areas of the business that can be automated. Businesses should assess their current workflows and identify tasks that are repetitive, time-consuming, or prone to errors. Once these areas are identified, businesses can begin to implement AI workflow automation tools, such as Gemini, a large language model that can automate workflows with existing tools. It's also important to monitor and evaluate the performance of AI workflow automation tools to ensure they are meeting the business's needs and goals. Additionally, businesses should consider the potential risks and challenges associated with AI workflow automation, such as job displacement and data security. By taking a strategic and informed approach, businesses can successfully implement AI workflow automation and achieve significant benefits. Section 4. Pillar 4. Overcoming challenges and limitations. While AI workflow automation offers many benefits, it also poses several challenges and limitations. One of the main challenges is the potential for job displacement, as automation replaces certain tasks and roles. Another challenge is ensuring the accuracy and reliability of AI workflow automation tools, as mistakes can have significant consequences. Additionally, businesses must consider the potential risks associated with data security and privacy, as AI workflow automation tools may require access to sensitive data. To overcome these challenges, businesses must take a proactive and strategic approach, investing in employee retraining and upskilling, and implementing robust data security measures. By acknowledging and addressing these challenges, businesses can minimize the risks and maximize the benefits of AI workflow automation. Section 5. Pillar 5. Future of AI workflow automation. The future of AI workflow automation is exciting and rapidly evolving, with new technologies and innovations emerging all the time. One of the key trends is the increasing use of hyperautomation, which enables businesses to automate entire processes and workflows, rather than just individual tasks. Another trend is the growing importance of explainability and transparency in AI workflow automation, as businesses seek to understand how AI-driven decisions are made. As AI workflow automation continues to advance, we can expect to see significant improvements in efficiency, productivity, and customer experience. However, it's also important to consider the potential risks and challenges associated with these advancements, such as job displacement and data security. By staying informed and adaptable, businesses can navigate the changing landscape of AI workflow automation and stay ahead of the competition. AI workflow automation can bring numerous benefits to businesses, including increased efficiency and reduced costs. Implementing AI workflow automation requires a strategic approach, starting with identifying areas of the business that can be automated. Businesses must also consider the potential risks and challenges associated with AI workflow automation, such as job displacement and data security. As you start your journey to fully automate your business with AI workflows, remember that the key to success lies in a strategic and informed approach, and a willingness to adapt and evolve in a rapidly changing landscape. If this saved you time or gave you an edge, subscribe to Klug. We post AI productivity content every week. Hit the like button if you learned something valuable today. What's the most repetitive task in your business that you'd like to automate with AI workflow automation?